About this item: package includes 6-pack replacement D1 Dymo label tape. Width for each tape, 1/2 inch, 12 millimeters. Length for each tape, 23 feet, 7 m. Colors in one set: black on clear, equivalent to DYMO 45010, black on white, equivalent to DYMO 45013, black on blue, equivalent to DYMO 45016, black on red, equivalent to DYMO 45017, black on yellow, equivalent to DYMO 45018, black on green, equivalent to DYMO 45019, compatible with DYMO LabelManager 160, DYMO LabelManager PNP, DYMO LabelManager 210D, DYMO LabelManager 220p, DYMO LabelManager 260p, DYMO LabelManager 280, DYMO LabelManager 360D, DYMO LabelManager 420p, DYMO LabelManager 450D, DYMO LabelManager 500TS, DYMO LabelManager 100, DYMO LabelManager 150.